Storm Tracker weather starts now with Chief Meteorologist Ryan Dennis.
Welcome back, everyone. It is cool outside right now. Temperatures are currently in the 40s in most spots, and we have had gusty winds throughout the day today. We're still dealing with gusty winds right now. Sustained wind speeds currently between 15 and 30 miles per hour, and that wind is coming out of the south or the south-southwest in most spots. The wind will continue to be a nuisance as we go through tonight and into tomorrow. Overnight tonight in some locations, including in the valleys, just a little bit of a breeze around overnight. But for a lot of us, we are going to continue to have gusty winds around tonight with sustained wind speeds generally between 10 and 30 miles per hour. The strongest wind tonight is going to be along the Rocky Mountain front, and that's where the wind's actually going to be getting stronger as we go through tonight. Then for tomorrow, we are going to have widespread gusty winds around with sustained wind speeds between 10 and 30 miles per hour. Wind gusts over 40 miles per hour are going to be possible at times. The wind will be a little bit weaker in the valley locations, though, with sustained wind speeds generally between 10 and 20 miles per hour. This wind is going to be coming out of the west or the southwest in most spots. The wind will begin to diminish as we head into tomorrow evening, and it will continue to diminish as we go through tomorrow night. And then everyone is going to get a much needed break from the wind on Friday. Just a light breeze in most locations for most of the day with sustained wind speeds generally between 5 and 10 miles per hour. On the Opportunity Bank of Montana weather camera, we have had increasing clouds throughout the day today. We do currently have mostly cloudy skies in the capital city. There is some rain and snow right now in northwestern Montana, and this precipitation is associated with a disturbance that is going to be working its way through Montana as we go through tonight and into tomorrow. And there's actually a good amount of moisture associated with this disturbance, but sadly most of this moisture is going to fall apart as it crosses the Continental Divide. So most of us in central and eastern Montana will continue to remain dry overnight tonight as well as during the day tomorrow. Overnight tonight, you can expect partly to mostly cloudy skies with the cloud cover decreasing later on tonight. Some rain and snow in northwestern Montana throughout the night, including along the Continental Divide and along portions of the Rocky Mountain front. East of the Continental Divide, a few rain and mountain snow showers are possible overnight tonight, but again, most locations are going to remain dry. Heading into tomorrow, a few snow showers around generally in the Rockies. Most locations throughout the rest of the state will be dry. A little bit of cloud cover around initially, but that cloud cover will decrease as we go through the day. And for tomorrow, it is going to be a beautiful day with a good amount of sunshine. Heading into tomorrow night, we are going to have mostly clear skies and mainly dry conditions. And then on Friday, we are going to have increasing clouds throughout the day. And for most of Friday, it will be overcast, dry during the morning, and dry for a good chunk of the afternoon as well. But then some rain and snow will begin to work its way into southern, central, and eastern portion of Montana as we head into Friday afternoon and evening. And this precipitation will continue through Friday night, and then that disturbance will leave our area as we head into Saturday morning. Now, through midday tomorrow, most of the snow accumulation is going to be in the higher elevations along and west of the Continental Divide. But as that next disturbance works its way through our area later Friday into Saturday, that's when some more snow accumulation is expected, especially within southern and eastern Montana. Light snow accumulations are possible in the lower elevations, with a few to several inches of snow accumulation possible in some of the mountains. Tonight, low temperatures are going to be in the 30s, which is above average for this time of year. Tomorrow, high temperatures are going to be in the mid to upper 40s and low to mid 50s, and then it will cool down as we head into Friday with highs back in the 40s for most of us. Now have a look at your 7-day forecast in a few minutes.